Welcome to the Lucid Air Sapphire, where their mission was to create the most exceptional electric driving experience. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in an eye-watering 2 seconds with a top speed of 330. It does come at a price though of 250,000 US dollars, or here in Switzerland, 260,000 Swiss francs. Lucid is based in sunny California, but today I'm showing this car something new for the first time ever, the snowy Swiss Alps. At first glance, I'm personally really liking the looks of this car. It's something very unique. So let's go for a nice winter drive and see what it's all about. So what I've had to do now is leave the area I was in because, as you saw, the snow started to come down quite hard on that side of the mountain. So I thought to come over this side, do a small run back up the mountain where it's not snowing quite as much. Anyway, my week with this car, what can I say? It has been really nice. Yes, I know we are not all the biggest fans of EVs. I know that. And it's not easy to make a fun and exciting EV. However, this one has been a very special experience. A few highlights for me personally: it's got head-turning looks. I personally really like the look of it, especially the front. I just think it looks cool. I really like the light bar in the front. It is a good looking car. It especially turns heads here, of course, because, well, you just don't see many of these going around at the moment, especially this model. Of course, this is a very niche car, but I'm always happy when car brands make that one slightly crazy model just to show what they can do, and that's what this is. It's got a proper suspension setup. The chassis is really nice. They did highlight that to me, and I struggled to believe it, but they are correct with that. It really does handle so well, and it really is fun to throw it around a corner. Of course, it's fast. I don't need to talk about that. 1,234 horsepower, more than enough. Honestly, I don't think I'm even going to do a launch control or anything because, well, you know it's fast, and of course to get that across on camera in an electric car is always quite difficult, but I'm sure you're very aware that that is a very fast car. It's got no sound, as you can hear. A lot of electric cars have some kind of sound design to go with it, which you can normally turn on and off. Lucid has zero, and I quite like it, just to really enjoy an electric car for what it's good at, and that is being silent. We don't always need sound, so you've got the power and performance and handling, but you do it at a whisper. It's so quiet and so comfortable, really good over the bumps. As I said, a proper suspension setup. It does give that magic carpet feeling. You do feel like you're literally flying in this car, especially when you put your foot down. 0 to 60 miles an hour in 1.8 seconds. Just wild. Okay, right now I'm in the smooth setting. You have Swift and Sapphire. Sapphire, of course, being the fastest setting. I think I would like to do at least a harder acceleration, so let's put it into Swift at least. I'm not sure how much that reduces the electronics. Let's do a small launch control. I said I wasn't going to, but come on, I can't resist it. So flat down, launch control unavailable. Okay, there we go. I have to switch to Sapphire. Well, I've got to do it then, haven't I, guys? So it's got to be done. Flat down, launch control. Oh my God. Yeah, speed limit. And the wheels were struggling a bit from traction there. No surprise, obviously, when you look outside at these temperatures. So there we go. Happy I did one. Yes, it's, as they say, it's a bit ridiculous. I also think this is going to age well for an EV. It is such a well-built, high-performance, luxury car that definitely some years down the line, I think it's still going to be as nice as it is today. But living with the Lucid Air Sapphire last week, what can I say? It's just simply been nice. It's a really nice place to be. Super high-end build quality inside and outside. It's fun on the corner when I want it to be. Plenty of space, really good boot space. I've used this for everything, to be honest. It's unique. It's really, that's a Lucid. You know, it doesn't look like anything else. It's got its own image, and it's a cool image. I think the brand is also quite cool, to be honest. Also the name, by the way, Lucid, how cool is that? I personally love it. It's luxury, it's fast, it looks good, and it's got good range. So it does actually kind of tick all the boxes you could want for an EV. But now my last few kilometers in this car, heading back down the mountain before it gets dark. Big thank you to Lucid for reaching out to me. It really has been a pleasure driving this car the last week, and thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you all again very soon.